this is a big scam that is happening in the steel plants. Very big scam. They show about 1,000 units. हें कितें दाखोवन दिता स्पीकर सर 300 युनिटां जो स्टील क्रिएट जाता ओ प्रोडक्शन जाता हेजो कांयच पत्ता ना. दिस इज सोल्ड इन द ब्लॅक इंडस्ट्री. नाव the Honorable Minister, I would like to specify one particular industry, two in fact, that is in your reply. One is Global Ispat and one is Shraddha Ispat. Now these industries, because for 1 month, I can give you the calculation, they are causing loss to the state exchequer of 2 to 3 crores per month. One industry, speaker sir. Yanka आज permission दिला जे pollution control boardan जे permission dila, they are going way beyond this pollution control board permission.
State is losing revenue as a consequence. Yes, industries department will write to power department, will write to pollution control board, and other departments, inspectorate of factories and boilers also are there. All are involved there. And if you look at the reply also, the report given by multiple departments, it's only that I produced the report. So you tell me specifically where we have to act. Certainly I will act. एक important point to kello. There are no nodal officers in charge. There should be a nodal agency. If required, तुमका मुद्दाम सांगता, we will amend the IDC Act and make the area manager responsible to see that compliances are done in all industrial estate. Anta the authority कोणाना, कोणूच officer ना. So if required, I will amend the IDC Act. We are already thinking about that.